Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add smooth text animations in Premiere Pro. It's really simple and easy. First of all, select your type tool and type some words, then go over to the properties and modify the text however you want. Now go to the effects and search for transform and add it to the text layer. Under effect controls, click the stopwatch icon next to position under transform, then adjust your text so that it's just slightly lower than where it started. Now move your timeline slider ahead 2 seconds, then reset the position by clicking here. Highlight both keyframes and click select temporal interpolation ease in. Then do it again but select ease out this time. Expand position, then drag the right handle to the left, then move the left up like this. Move your timeline slider to 1 second mark, then click the keyframe button next to opacity. Now move your slider to the start of the layer and modify opacity to 0. To animate each word separately, duplicate your text for each word that you have. So in my case, I will duplicate it 3 times. Then offset each layer by about 10 frames. Now move your slider over the first word and adjust the right crop to remove the other 2 words. Position your slider over the second word now and adjust the left and right crop to remove the other 2. Do it for the final word, adjusting the left crop to remove the other 2 words. And you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to add smooth text animation in Premiere Pro. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.